good structure. At this time, I start the presentation Evidence 7 Taller Taking About Logistic Workshop presented by Harold Rivera Asensio, Data Street 2175930. Instructor Jennifer Espitia Castañeda. Next, Six Sigma. This methodology is focused on the reduction of variability, reading the effect of failure in the delivery of product customer services eliminated. Theory reduce variation. Application guidelines define, measure, analyze, and improve control. Focus, problem focused. Next, like thinking. This management methodology identifies and promotes improvements and value flow with the participation of quality, motivated, and advanced people. Theory reduce variation, application, guidelines, defines, measure, analyze, improve, control, focus, problem, and focus. Next, theory of constraints. Incorporating management that is associated with inefficient learning thinking is standard thinking, the philosophy of what elimination, theory management, constraints, application, guidelines, identify, constraints, subordinate, process, elevated, constraints, prepared, cycled, focus system, constraints. Next. Similarly, on the defects with the improvement programs, I view organization values analytical structure and the relation of data. Trust and the analysis Six Sigma is a perfect program for you to start with. Is your organization values visual, tangible, and read now time? Then learn thinking mind the bit way to go. If your organization values a system a problem where total participation is not necessary and if valued the separation between working and the management then talk mean be a good way to start. Next, for Six Sigma, if we focus on the reduced variation, they will have more uniform process output. For learn, if we focus on what removal, the flow time will improve. From top, I will focus on controls, the throughput volume will improve. Fox Six Sigma focus on reducing variation and the achieving uniform process result in less waste, the true time and less inventory. For lean thinking, focus on wasted and flow time result in less variation, uniform out and less inventory. For thought, focus on constraints and increase throughput, rules in the inventory and a different accounting system. Next, obstacles and the improving methodologies. The management programs show the never that the company must do, but it a system to improve the life and the culture of the organization. In addition to the program, the same problems are addressed through the years. So it's improve never stop learning age from the sources of information. Next, thank you for your time.